Hello everyone, welcome back to another useful and informative video which is about how to fix AirDrop is not working on your iPhone after or before iOS update. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on General and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then launch a control center, tap and hold the Wi-Fi. Here we will see the AirDrop. Tap on AirDrop and make sure that everyone is selected. If the everyone is not selected, then you have to select the everyone. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then we launch settings. Here we have to tap on General and tap AirDrop. Now select receiving off and force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. Then launch settings again. Here we have to tap on General, AirDrop and select everyone. Now go back to General and tap on iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. The next solution is General, transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. In the end, what we have to do, we have to go back to settings and enable airplane mode. Now wait for 15 to 20 seconds and disable airplane mode and your problem will be solved. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.